Hi, meteorologist Jen Daniel here with the latest on our ongoing winter storm. So exactly what's going on here is we have a large storm system off towards our west, and it is flinging moisture up into West Texas. And as of right now, the 10:30 a.m. temperatures are pretty much below freezing up on the Cap Rock and not doing much better for the rolling plains. And for the rest of the day, this is pretty much where temperatures are going to stay. Regional radar as of 10:30 a.m. shows a pretty good lull going on in the precip, just flurries occurring across much of the Lubbock Forecast Area. But look at what we've got coming out from the west. This is going to arrive later on this evening, and that will be our next round of precipitation. So we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for all of these counties. In the purple, that's much of the Cap Rock and a little bit of the areas into the rolling plains. This is in effect now until 6 a.m. on Wednesday. We are expecting accumulating snow with a little bit of a light ice glazing, so that's going to make those roads even more dangerous. Check drivetexas.org for those road conditions. And travel, it is already hazardous. We've already had reports of accidents, so please, we beg of you to take it slow out there. All right, what to expect over the next 24 hours or so. We're going to have that lull in precip through the early afternoon. Flurries, light freezing drizzle across the area. Then early evening, about 5 to 7 o'clock tonight, we'll start to see the precip starting to move in from the west. Wintry mix is expected. Overnight, midnight to about 6 a.m., that's when we'll see our heaviest bands of precipitation move through. Again, mostly a wintry mix coming across the Lubbock Forecast Area, and then precip quickly ends by Wednesday morning. This whole storm will be gone, and then we'll start to warm up. So please check back for updates often. You can check our Twitter feed. We are at NWS Lubbock. And again, take it slow out there. Thanks for watching, and y'all be safe out there, West Texas.